doing good. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new chapter. I hope all of you completed the activities and notes of chapter 8. Okay. Today's new chapter is chapter 9, our festivals. Chapter 9, our festivals. Chapter 9, our festivals. What do you know about festivals? How many festivals do you know? How many festivals do you know? Yeah. Onam. Christmas. Holi. Diwali. Eid. Etc. Yes. India is a land of varied culture. Each and every state of India represents a different culture and has its own identity. Due to this, the festival also different from one state to another. Today, we are going to look into some of the main and common festivals celebrated all around India. You know, children, festivals are mainly divided into three. Festivals are mainly divided into three. Can you name them? Okay. National festivals. First one is national festivals. Second, religious festival. Third one, seasonal festivals. Okay, national festivals means those festivals which are celebrated by all of the nation. Okay, all the people in the nation. Then religious festival means festivals celebrated by a particular religion. Seasonal festivals means festivals celebrated in particular season. Okay. Festivals are mainly divided into three. Festivals are mainly divided into three. First one, national festivals. Second, religious festivals. Third one, seasonal festivals. National festivals, religious festivals, and seasonal festivals. Okay. See, festivals are mainly divided into three. National festivals, religious festivals, and seasonal festivals. Okay, children, what do you mean by festival? What do you mean by festival? Festival എന്നാൽ എന്താണ്? It means a special day or period, usually in memory of a religious event with its own activities, food, or ceremonies. So, festival means a special day. It means a special day or period, usually in memory of a religious event with its own activities, food, or ceremonies. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss some festivals. Okay. First of all, we are discussing national festivals. Today, first we discuss national festivals. The three main national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, the three main national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. India being a culturally diverse society celebrates many holidays and festivals, but there are only three national holidays. Okay, so the national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Okay, so Independence Day is it has a special place in the list of national festivals. Okay, as it instills a sense of pride among all Indians. Okay, and on the eve of Independence Day, the President of India addresses the country and the Prime Minister hoists the flag at Red Fort. National anthem is played in public places during flag hosting ceremonies. Okay, Independence Day ദിവസം നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളുകളിലും അതുപോലെ പബ്ലിക് പ്ലേസുകളിലൊക്കെ ഫ്ലാഗ് ഹോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്, ഫ്ലാഗ് ഉയർത്താറുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഒരു സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് നാഷണൽ ആന്തം ആ ഒരു സമയത്ത് പ്ലേ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് യു നോ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ ഈസ് സെലിബ്രേറ്റഡ് ഓൺ 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Okay, when 15th August, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Okay, second one is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. 26th January. India become Republic on 26th January. Okay, so Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Okay, third one is national festivals. Third one, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Every year, it's a birthday of Gandhiji. Okay, so we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. So the national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Then Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. And third one is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Okay.
National festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. In this lesson, we learned about these national festivals. National festivals are the festivals that are celebrated by the entire nation. There are three national festivals in India. First one, Independence Day, second, Republic Day and third, Gandhi Jayanti. Children, do you know how we celebrate Independence Day and why? Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th of every year. Our country became free from the British rule on this day in the year 1947. The main function of the Independence Day is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag there. He or she addresses the nation after flag hosting. We pay homage to all our freedom fighters. Functions are also held all over the country. Next one, about the importance of Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year. The Indian Constitution came into force on this day in the year 1950. Every year on the Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag at the Rajpath in New Delhi. The main function of the Republic Day is held between the India Gate and the Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. A big and colorful parade is taken out in which the police, the armed forces, school children, and folk dancers take part. The President of India takes the salute at the parade. A direct telecast of the Independence Day and the Republic Day ceremonies is done. The entire nation watches the telecast with a feeling of patriotism. Next one is about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on this day in the year 1869. Gandhiji led the people of India to get freedom. This is why he is called the father of the nation. Gandhiji is called the father of the nation. A special prayer meeting is held in New Delhi at the Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister, ministers, and other special guests, along with the common public, take part in this function.
Okay children, so let us summarize what we learned today. Okay, we learned about festivals. That is, festivals mainly divided into three. Festivals are mainly divided into three. First one, national festivals. Second one, religious festival. Third one, seasonal festivals. So festivals are mainly divided into three. They are national festivals, second religious festival, and third one seasonal festivals. Okay, national festivals means national festivals are celebrated by all over India. All the citizens of the country celebrate them irrespective of the religion, caste, creed and sex. Okay, everyone celebrates them with a great patriotism. Okay, that is national festival celebrated by all the citizens of India. Okay, then about religious festival. Religious festival means festivals celebrated by a particular religion. Okay, then seasonal festival. Seasonal festivals means festivals celebrated in a particular season. Okay. Today we learned about national festivals. First one Independence Day, second one Republic Day, and third one Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Independence Day celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day celebrated on 15th August of every year. Then Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. 26th January of every year. And third one, Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. 2nd October every year. Okay. So, Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Then Republic Day on 26th January. And Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October of every year. Okay, so please learn up to this. Learn up to this and we will continue this chapter in the next class. Okay? Thank you.